Today, the part which I am going to tell you is most important in the bike. Only some people know completely about that part. Actually, I am talking about the spark plug, which is an important part in the bike. If you don't know its basic structure, then in such a situation, you can damage to your piston of your bike. Here I will also show the picture for an example at the end of this video. So today I am going to tell you about the spark plug of Yamaha RX100 bike. What is the number of spark plug? Which company's spark plug recommends by the Yamaha company? And why? All these things I am going to disclose you. Basically, sophisticated settings are fixed in the bike engine, which common man does not understand. According to the company, he needs not to understand to follow these parameters, only follow all the recommendations. This is the perfect compatibility of that part of another company which is used after so many tests. Once test is passed, then the company recommends the specific brand and the specific part number of that company which is compatible to the Yamaha RX100. Like Yamaha company recommends the spark plug of two companies, first NGK BP7HS or Miko Super W5BC. So never use another company's spark plug because company has suggested these two specific plugs after using and testing bike's engine performance. Apart from this, if any another spark plug is changed, it can give the worst engine performance or can damage your bike piston too. Let us first understand the structure of the spark plug. This is a spark plug. This is called its terminal and this is insulator. This one is its shell and this is its two gasket of metal. This is called thread and inner side is called central electrode and this one is ground electrode, and this white portion area is called insulator tip. That's it. Now understand the definition of the spark plug. The spark plug is fundamental part of your bike ignition system. The high current voltage is sent from its terminal to the plug from a center electrode to a ground electrode, forming a spark. This spark ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, causing an explosion that initiates the engine power stroke. Or you can say a spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from an ignition system to the combustion chamber to ignite the compressed air-fuel mixture by an electric spark. There are two types of spark plug. One is hot and second is cold. What is the differences between the hotter and the colder spark plug? A hot spark plug is better heat insulator, keeping more heat in the tip of the spark plug. This is the tip. A colder spark plug conducts more heat out of the spark plug tip and lowers the tip's temperature. The heat range of a spark plug is typically specified as a number. Like if you see on NGK spark plug, there will be BP7HS. What is the 7 number? The significance of 7. The number 5 spark plug is hot of this company, while the number 7 is cold. The higher the number, the colder it will be. Keep it in your mind.
You can see in my bike there is a NGK spark plug installed. It has a number BP7 HS. This is NGK spark plug in my bike.
First of all, understand that below the spark plug and above the piston is called the combustion chamber. Air fuel mixture is burnt by the spark plug there. Differences between hot plug and cold plug I'll show you in the figure. As you can see, hot and cold spark plug differences. Completely they are same. These are both terminals and these are ceramic insulator, and only difference is it has long nose or long insulator in hot spark plug and it has short insulator in cold spark plug, and both has the central electrode and the ground electrodes. Mainly we use in Yamaha RX100 cold spark plug, smaller one. Differences between hot plug and cold plug in details. First of all, hot plug. Its insulator is longer than the cold plug in length. A greater surface area is exposed to gases within the scope of hot spark plug. Hence, the entire area of the combustion chamber is covered by this spark plug, causing the air and fuel mixture to burn completely. Hot plug heats its firing end quickly. This is the reason why it is not put in high-speed engine or racing vehicle, because they can overheat piston and make the hole in it. For example, instead of cold plug, if you use the hot plug, so sometimes after you will find your piston like this. Heat transfer to the engine head of the hot plug is slow. Which is fine for normal vehicle but not for the high speed vehicle. Actually, these area are the heat absorber of the engine. Now the cold plug. Its insulator is shorter in length than a hot plug. A partial surface area is in contact with gases within the scope of cold spark plug. Hence, the entire area of the combustion chamber is not covered by this spark plug, due to which the air and fuel mixture does not burn completely. Cold plug performs heat transfer to engine head quickly. This is the engine head. Because of which the engine does not get very hot. Its firing end does not heat up quickly, which does not allow the piston to overheat. For this reason, it is mostly installed in the high-speed engine. Now some problems in the spark plug. First of all, carbon foul plug. Black dry soot on the electrodes and insulator tip. This is the insulator tip. Indicates a carbon foul plug. This can be caused by a dirty air filter, excessive driving at low speeds, too rich of air and fuel mixture, or idling your vehicle for too long. Second problem, the knocking sound. Basically, the knocking sound often occurs when the air fuel mixture is incorrect, which causes the fuel to burn in uneven small blocks rather than uniform bursts. It can cause damage to the piston and cylinder wall. A knocking sound can also be caused by a lack of lubrication in the upper cylinder head area. On the other hand, it also occurs when the spark plug gap is not correctly set. The spark plug gap is the place where the spark plug ignites. Solution: set the air fuel mixture from carburetor. Clean the carbon deposited with a wire brush to the spark plug, correcting the gap of the spark plug. It should be between 0.6 mm to 0.7 mm. If not satisfied, replace the spark plug. Third problem, pre-ignition. Basically, pre-ignition is a situation in which the air fuel mixture in a spark ignition engine ignites before the timed spark. Many reasons may be for pre-ignition, but main reason is mismatch of spark plug. An overheated spark plug and deposit of carbon are the main cause of pre-ignition. Pre-ignition may or may not cause permanent engine damage, but it does lead to engine inefficiency and may cause engine damage if it is a severe or continuous event. Now the solution. Service your bike time to time and must remove the carbon from the piston and service the spark plug at least every 3 months because it shows all the internal condition of the engine. If its tip of the white insulator around the positive electrode here in this area, if it is brown tan color, it means everything is okay in the engine. If it shows the burning or melting symptoms, then excessive carbon may be deposited on the piston and in the combustion chamber. That may be the indication of pre-ignition, and if the bike does not respond properly while riding, then show it to the Yamaha expert. Lastly, what is the most expensive spark plug? Answer: iridium spark plug. Why? Iridium metal is less than gold and more expensive than platinum. Iridium spark plug feature a fine wire center electrode that is designed to conduct electrical energy better and increase firing efficiency. There is a more price for this precious metal. Iridium spark plug are typically the most expensive. In India, it may be 7 to 800 rupees. I think so.